So today I am actually in my kitchen and I am going to be making some detox water. This water is so refreshing, so just detoxing. It's natural, it helps get out any type of bad things that you may have in your body. Today we actually have a detox that I'm going to be doing, and it will consist of purified water, pineapples, cucumbers, oranges, lemon, and blueberries. The only thing that I was actually missing was the mint leaves. Mint leaves are really good, and also ginger. So for my water, these are the ingredients that I'll be using: pineapples, blueberries, cucumbers, oranges, and lemon. And so what I'm going to do is basically get some regular drinking water, purified water. You can use spring water, you can use whatever kind of water you would like to use. But for me, I have my preference. I'm going to be using purified water, and I'm going to be adding this to a pitcher instead of leaving it in the bottle that the water comes in, because for me, once I put that in the fridge, I like to drink this water cold. So yeah, if you're interested in watching me make my detox water, feel free to keep watching. So right now you see that the water, I squeezed one orange and one lemon inside of the water. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add my cucumbers, my other orange slices, and my lemon slices. And you just put those in. goes to the bottom because right now it's a lot at the top. So you just want to try to get it in there without it overflowing. And this is why I didn't fill it up, because I don't want it to overflow. So try to push it down. I kind of want some of this now, but so I'm gonna add some blueberries. Don't worry about that because the blueberries will go to the bottom. You wanna not use the whole thing. Okay. Because this is enough blueberries to actually have for another gallon. Because I have 2 gallons. And then I'm gonna add just a little bit of pineapple to it. And this is kind of overflowing, so I'm gonna go ahead and take some and drink it now. But I won't drink any more until tomorrow, because it would have sat and got all the flavors that it needs to get. That looks amazing. Looks amazing. So you want that to sit overnight and then start drinking it the next day. I mean, you could drink it now, but it won't really have, you know, the flavors of the water settled in. So it's best to just kind of wait as long as you can. I'm gonna wait overnight, but you could probably like wait like an hour or something like that, and it'll be the same thing. So hey guys, so basically after you add all your ingredients to your water, again, like I said, you definitely want to use your preference in water. You can use spring water, purified water, regular drinking water, whatever whatever you would like, whatever type of water you would like. Some people like certain brands of water. You can use that as well, just to give it a better taste for you. But definitely do not use tap water. Definitely you want to use a purified type of water that has already been purified. So yeah, and the result is I put it in my cup, my tumbler. Again, the water has so many different benefits to it. It's absolutely delicious. It's refreshing. Definitely want to put it in the refrigerator for, like, if you're really trying to get at it really quickly, maybe give it about an hour before you drink it. Put it in the fridge for about an hour. Let it get, a little bit of a chill. But trust me, if you can wait and drink it overnight, all of the, vitamins and nutrients from the cucumbers and the pineapples and the oranges and the lemons, I mean, it's really, really good. Like, I can probably drink that entire pitcher of water in like 2 days, probably, because I'm drinking it with like I'm trying to just drink water, and if I absolutely need juice, it is cranberry juice and orange juice. That's it. I've been trying my best not to drink any sodas, not to drink any other type of fruit drinks, sweet drinks, things like that. Yeah, so making this detox water is just really a plus for me. Like I said, it is delicious, especially when it's cold. Like, I can drink this whole tumbler after every meal, or even like before a meal, or if I feel like I'm hungry and I'm not really hungry. Because you know how they say, sometimes you think you're hungry, but you're not really hungry, and so you're really thirsty. So definitely, drink you something that's refreshing, that's gonna fill you up, that's not going to add, sugar into your body, or fat into your body. So you definitely want some type of beverage that has mainly water in it, or just plain water. Whatever's good for you. So yeah, that will be it for my detox water. Again, you can add so many different things to your water. You can add mint, types of berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, anything in it, like just whatever, whatever you like, and whatever is tasty for you. So they do have certain recipes for if you're specifically looking for like weight loss, or if you're suffering from like insomnia, or just different type of benefits for whatever it is that your body is going through. There's always something out there, the natural, that you can go to and put in your body to make you feel better. Like, we have to start thinking back in the biblical days where they didn't have all these man-made items, and what did they do to feel better? And a lot of them lived to be over 100 years old. Okay, if you know your Bible, you know that. But yeah, so I'm enjoying my water. I'm enjoying my weight loss. I'll be back with another video soon. There are some other products that I would love to bring your way. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you like this video, and hopefully you can subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. It would definitely help your girl out. So yeah, welcome to my family. Love you guys, and continue to be blessed and be good. Bye.